Hello everyone! Today we are going to make a mini water well that can lift water using plastic bottles, cardboard, and other materials. First, cut off the bottom of the plastic bottle. Draw grids on the brown paper to create a brick effect. Use double-sided tape to stick the brick paper on the plastic bottle to make the well body. Cut the cardboard into a circle as the base of the well. Glue disposable chopsticks into an X shape to make two supports. Glue the supports onto the circular base. Place another chopstick on top to serve as a rotating shaft. Poke 2 holes in the jelly cup and thread them with paper clips to complete the bucket. Finally, tie the bucket to the rotating shaft with a rope, and you can play the game of drawing water from the well. Rotate the chopsticks to lift the water. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.